In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a balance sheet in Zoho Books. We'll go through the full process from opening your account to reviewing and exporting the final report, so you can quickly create a clear snapshot of your company's financial position. To begin, sign in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard, where you can access all the core accounting tools. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, since reports are generated based on the active company data. Next, go to the Reports module. You'll find Reports in the left-hand navigation menu. This section is where Zoho Books organizes all of its financial and accounting reports, making it easy to access standard statements like profit and loss reports, cash flow reports, and of course, the balance sheet. After opening reports, navigate to the Business Overview section. Zoho Books groups reports by category, and the balance sheet is typically listed under Business Overview because it gives a high-level summary of your business finances. From there, select Balance Sheet. This opens the Report Setup view, where you can define how you want the report to be generated. The balance sheet shows what your business owns, what it owes, and the equity remaining at a specific point in time. Now choose the date range. Depending on your reporting needs, you can select a specific date or a reporting period. This step is important because a balance sheet reflects financial balances as of that chosen date, so always make sure it matches the period you want to review or share. Next, select the report basis. You can choose between accrual or cash. Accrual basis includes income and expenses when they are earned or incurred, while cash basis reflects transactions when money actually moves. Choose the method that matches your accounting preference or reporting requirement. If needed, apply additional filters using more filters. This step is optional, but it can help you customize the report view for more specific analysis. If you don't need any extra adjustments, you can leave the default settings as they are. Once everything looks right, click Run Report. Zoho Books will generate the balance sheet based on the options you selected. Now, review the report carefully. Focus on the main sections: assets, liabilities, and equity. This is a good time to confirm that the figures look accurate and that the report reflects the financial position you expect. If you want to save or share the report, click Export and choose your preferred file format. This is useful for record keeping, presentations, or sending the report to your accountant or team. Thanks for watching.